Hey folks, it's Remo from Remo Nutrients, and I'm here today to introduce you to VeloKelp. VeloKelp is a premium kelp product containing two kinds of cold-pressed kelp, both Atlantic and Pacific, which is rich in natural hormones for vigorous growth. It also contains B vitamins, humic, and fulvic acid, so really it's a 4-in-1 product. It is vegan and it's good for all stages of growth, both vegetative and flowering. This product will help you have happy, healthy plants. If you'd like more information, check us out at www.remonutrients.com.